but I've installed them on both the owl box and the woodpecker box. And Mr. Woodpecker is already roosting in the woodpecker box, and we can watch him kind of fall asleep and go through his nightly sleeping process here in this short video. We're still waiting for Mr. and Mrs. Owl to get the nesting season going, but he hasn't started roosting in there yet, but that should happen soon, so I'll keep you informed. But in the meantime, I'm pretty excited about these two new HD nest box cameras. Both give, well, for example, they give really good color in the daytime, whereas the old ones would be kind of washed out and almost black and white. So this is a video of Mr. Red-bellied woodpecker roosting in the nest box. That usually means that he's going to hold that nest box. Hopefully he'll find a female and they'll nest in there come March, April, or May like they did a few years ago.